Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. According to the rule, the applicant must be an income tax assessee for at least 3 assessment years preceding the date of application with gross professional income of not less than rupees 5 lakhs per annum. Full stop. The applicant shall also be required to attach the proof of his independent engagement and conducting of not less than 50 cases bracket other than bunch cases bracket close per year in the preceding 3 years. Full stop. Chief Justice Sheel Naggu and Justice Sanjeev Berry, while dismissing the plea, noted that the coordinate bench in Dheeraj Singh Sihag versus the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court has upheld the constitutional validity of the rule and the same has attained finality as it has not been challenged. Full stop. There is no substance in the present petition. Full stop. Advocate Kannu Sharma submitted that in the plea that she is continuously practicing since her enrollment and has more than 15 years, but despite her vast experience, she is unable to fill the form for additional district judge examination in the cadre of Haryana as well as Punjab due to the fact that she has not been engaged with 50 cases per year in last 3 preceding years. Full stop. The arbitrary condition of having been engaged in 50 cases per year in last 3 preceding years to appear for additional district judge examination under direct recruitment is clearly violative of Article 14 and 16 of Constitution of India. Full stop. Senior advocate appearing for the High Court apprised the court that a challenge to the rule was dismissed last year by a division bench of the High Court. Full stop. During the hearing, the court refused to accept the argument that specifying number of cases as eligibility criteria is arbitrary and violation of Article 233 of Constitution, which requires an advocate to have at least 7 years practice to be a district judge. Full stop. Chief Justice Naggu remarked that the additional criteria can always be laid down by the High Court for ensuring merit. Full stop. Calling it a classical case of power abuse, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has imposed a cost of rupees 50,000 on the Haryana government for denying appointment to a candidate despite his acquittal in a criminal case. Full stop. The court noted that the candidate was compelled to approach the court in 3 separate rounds of litigation to assert his rightful claim. Full stop. The candidate was denied the appointment to the post of constable. Full stop. During verification process, the authorities submitted that an FIR is pending, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो कंटेंट. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.